Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be creating our own scribble spots, okay? And so I wanted to show you kind of a close-up of look at all the silly scribble spot guys. We're going to be creating our own, and you can see that they are just a little spot of wiggly squiggly lines, okay? So start by writing your name and class code on your paper. And be sure to circle your class code, so whatever it is, you're going to circle it. Okay, then flip it over, and we're going to try to limit ourselves to the top part of our paper because we want to leave some space at the bottom for our legs. Okay, see, if you don't leave a little room at the bottom, you won't have room for those legs. Okay, so you can see on this one, here's an example. You see how I've done a scribble spot, but I left space at the bottom. That's so that we can add the legs. Okay, you get to use, pick maybe 3 or 4 colors. You're going to have an assortment of colors at your table. Just take one to start with. And remember, ooh, someone didn't roll this one down. Do you see that? That's supposed to be rolled down inside when we put the lid on so we don't waste any of it, okay? All right, so remember, this is all different kinds of lines. So you're going to do whirly, twirly lines. Any kind of a line you want, maybe a wavy line. You can do loopy lines. You can do twirly, swirly, any kind of line, okay? Now, the only thing we don't want to do is we don't want to fill in all the white space. We want to be able to see our lines, okay? So don't do so many lines that you can't see your other lines, okay? You want them to cross over, so watch. I want to go over my lines like this. But I don't want to do it so many times that you can't see some of the white space and also see some of your other lines, okay? So when you do them, make sure you don't do so many that you can't see your other ones that you started with, okay? Now right now I can still see the white paper, some of the space between. I've only done 2 colors. I think I'm going to do another color. Let's see, I like this gold. This gold is really pretty. Oh, I hope there's some in there. There we go. Ooh, that's beautiful. I'm just going to do some twirls and swirls, maybe even some curls. Yeah, like that. Maybe one there. Wiggly squiggly. Okay, let's see. Oh, I like blues. I think I'll do a blue. Okay, how many colors did Mrs. Walker use? 1, 2, 3, 4. I did 4 colors, and you need to pick 4 colors that you like. I did not go all the way down to the bottom. I'm leaving room for my legs here, okay? And I'm leaving room. I can still put arms in there. Now, when you get to this point, I want you to stop for today, okay? This is all we're going to do is just get our swirls and twirls, and then you're going to stop.